Hello everyone, I am Deepak Purve. This video is for class 7th on subject mathematics chapter 8 ratio and proportion part 4. In this video we discuss some question from exercise. Question is express each of the following ratio in the simplest form. First question is 24 is to 40. Here we see that in both terms the HCF of these terms are not 1 other than 1 here the HCF. So first we find HCF of 24 and 40 is equal to 8. Now 24 is to 40 is equal to 24 by 40, and this is equal to 24 divided by 8 and 40 divided by 8. After that this is equal to 3 by 5, and this can be written as 3 is to 5, which is the required ratio in the simplest form. Now second question. Here we see that here we also see that the CF of these two terms not the CF1. So firstly here also find HCF of 13.5 and 15 is equal to 1.5. So 13.5 ratio 15 is equal to 13.5 by 15 is equal to 13.5 divided by 1.5. 15 divided by 1.5. Finally we get by dividing 1.5 we get 9 and here 10. One more process, second method, which is firstly we change 13.5 ratio 15. Here this term is in the decimal form, so we first convert this term into fractional form as 13.5 by 15, which is equal to 13.5. Here we put decimal and we see that here one digit after decimal, so here we put 10 after the decimal. Then decimal and decimal is cancelled by this decimal. Finally we get 135 by 150, and the HCF of these two terms is 15. So 135 is divided by 15 and 150 is divided by 15. Finally get 9 by 10, which is written as 9 ratio 10 is the final answer. Here also 9 ratio 9 is to 10 is the answer. Now third question is 6 whole 2 by 3 is to 7 whole 1 by 2. Firstly we convert these two terms are in mixed fraction, so we convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then we get 6 3 ja 18 and add 2, that is 20 by 3 is to 15 by 2. Now here we divide, and now here we eliminate or remove the denominator of these terms. For removing the denominator, we multiply these terms by SCF of the denominators, that is 6. So we get 20 by 3 multiplied by SCF of these, that is 6, is to 15 by 2 is multiplied by SCF of these two denominators, that is 6. Then we get 3 2 ja 2 3 ja, that is 40 is to 45. This ratio is not in the forms of simplest, so this ratio can be converted into simplest form by dividing the SCF of these terms. Now 40 is divided by, now 40 ratio 45 is written as 40 by 45, and this is written as 40 divided by 45 is also divided by SCF of these, that is 5. Finally get 8 by 9, and this can be written as 8 ratio 9 is the final ratio in the simplest form. Now next question is 4, which is 1 by 6 is to 1 by 9. This can be written as 1 by 6. These two terms can be multiplied by SCF of the denominators, that is 18, is to 1 by 9 multiply 18. इस दोनों टर्म को, एंटीसीडेंट और कंसिक्वेंट दोनों को हम क्या करेंगे, तो डिनोमिनेटर के डिनोमिनेटर के एलसीएम से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो 6 3 जा और है 9 2 जा, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 3 is to 2, which is in the form of simplest form, so we need not to convert this ratio into simplest form. This is the final answer. Now fifth question, 4 ratio 5 ratio 9 by 2. Here 3 terms and last term is in the form of a by b, so given terms must be multiplied by the LCM of denominators. Then we get 4 multiplied by 2 is to 5 multiplied by 2 is to 9 by 2 multiplied by 2. Here denominator is 1, here denominator is 1, here denominator is 2. Then the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Then we multiply each term by the LCM, that is 2. Then we get this, and finally we get 8 is to 10 is to 9. This 2 is cancelled by this 2. This is the required ratio in the simplest form for the final answer. Now sixth question is 2.5 is to 6.5 is to 8. Here we see that two terms in the ratio is in the form of decimal form, so we need to convert this decimal form into fractional form. then we write this is as 25 by 10 is to 65 by 10 is to 8. How? 2.5 यहाँ था तो पॉइंट से पहले हम अपने मन से 1 ले लेंगे, पॉइंट के बदले में यहाँ भी पॉइंट हो जाएगा, और पॉइंट के बाद 10 है, 1 डिजिट है तो 10, यहाँ भी 1 डिजिट है तो 101 का आएगा। ठीक है, पॉइंट से कैंसिल आउट हो गए। अब ये नंबर, ये टर्म्स जो है फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में हो गया, तो इसको हम लोग यहाँ से डिनोमिनेटर हटाने की कोशिश करेंगे। डिनोमिनेटर हटाने के लिए हमको डिनोमिनेटर्स के एलसीएम से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा प्रत्येक टर्म को। तो यहाँ पर 25 by 10 multiplied by 10 is to 65 by 10 multiplied by 10 is to 8 multiplied by 10. Then we get 25 is to 65 is to 80. Here we see that these terms have not the SCF 1. Now we need to divide these terms by SCF of the given terms. Now SCF of given terms is 5. Now divided by 5 we get 25 by 5, 65 by 5 divided by 80 by 5. Then we get 5 is to 13 is to 16. This is the final 5 is to 13 is to 16. This is the final ratio in the simplest form, because their HCF is only 1, not other than 1. Thank you for visiting this video. The remaining concept from this chapter will be continued in next part of the video.